Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can rotate the clip in CapCut PC using two options. So first you can select your elements, and to crop for the first option you can select this rotate button, just click on it. And for the second option you can select keyframe. So in basic position and size, there is a keyframe button, just click on it and you can adjust for the rotation. Sorry. You can add a keyframe and swipe to the right till the end of the video and you can rotation. Sorry. You can see for the final result. That's it. So there are two options. You have to use for the rotation your clip. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for